Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn that how to add flex sensor to the Proteus. So here you can see library files. You can download this from the link provided in the description. So let me open it. Here you can see two folders. One is library and other one is model. So let me open the library folder first. Copy this file from here and now go to desktop. Here you can see the Proteus icon. Right click on it. Now go to open file location. So from here, go one step back to the main folder of Proteus 7. Click on this. Now here locate the library folder. Here you can see. Right click on it, open it, and now paste the file over here. So here you can see the flex sensor added here. Now close it. And now go back to the library folder. So here you can see the flex sensor library. Open it, and this time open the model folder. And now copy this file. Copy it. Go to the desktop. Right click on Proteus icon, go to open file location, and here go one step back to the main folder of Proteus 7. Now this time locate the models folder and open it. Now paste the model file over here. So here you can see it's added. Now close it and open the Proteus software. If you have already opened it, close it and reopen it again. Otherwise it will not upload the latest libraries. So here you can see, let me search for the flex sensor. So here you can see this is the flex sensor 1 and this is the flex sensor 2. So let me double click on this as well as double click on this. Now click on OK and place the sensor over here. Let me zoom it. So now let me press this. Here you can see it's bending. Whenever I press the plus, so it's you can see here it's bending, and when press 1, so here you can see. So you can see here it's physically working. Let me check the another one. Place it here, and now let me check it. So this is not bending, but whenever you will connect it to the DIN, then it will work. But this you can physically check it and it's working with the plus minus. So this was the method of how to add flex sensor to the Proteus. You can download the library from the link provided in the description, download it and then you can use it. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.